If you did not know this, you definitely know this now. So a lot of you may wonder, well, glitter, yeah, it's nice, but it's messy. It gets all over the place. It gets on my clothes. You know, it could get in the client's hair, on the floor, and then I have to clean all this up. I don't know if I really want to use glitter. Well, there's always glitter glue. And that's one of the things that I use a lot of is the glitter glue, because you don't have to worry about it being all over the place. It's in a bottle, it's glue. And normally what I do is I just pour out a little bit into a palette. I give the residents or the clients a paintbrush and they brush on the glue or the glitter glue wherever they want it to go. So wherever they brush it on, that's where it glitters. And you don't have to worry about cleaning up because it's not going to get on the floor, right? It all stays right where they put it. So if you don't want to use the free form glitter that you sprinkle out, then use the glitter glue. You can find this at any art store. It works just as perfect. And actually, it's a little bit more fun to use rather than just a regular glitter that you sprinkle everywhere. But try some glitter. Spread a little sparkle. Try it. Until I see you again, amazing one, continue to create, connect, and inspire others. And stay tuned for tip number 7. I'll see you soon.